Hi everyone, I'm Ronnie from Swiss Interior, and today we are going to show you how we transform this wonderful kitchen from a mess into a blessing. This is how the old kitchen looks like, and we're going to show you how we use Excel hardware solution to transform this kitchen. Firstly, this tall ladder unit helps you to store groceries and food for a large family. Its vertical design saves you space and it stows away to give you a flush finish. At 50 cm from the base, the baking equipment drawer was designed to be at optimal height to provide you with enough space to store all your baking needs. The oven and microwave was specially designed to be at waist and eye level respectively. Below the sink, this organizer stores your cleaning necessities, giving you easy access when you need it. "60 cm to 80 cm in width is the recommended dimension for a normal size family to store all the cutlery they need, as you can see here. Top hung dish rack provides storage for plates and cups after wiping dry. Need more space? Excel Hardware's dish rack drawer will come in useful. Now, for the most talked about L-shaped corner magic basket, this gives you easy access and maximize your wasted corner storage space. Let me introduce you to Gola handles. They are flush with your cabinets and give you a better finger grip than your conventional 45 degrees groove handles. So what you have seen is just a little part of what Excel Hardware got to offer. As an ID, we need to know your lifestyle and your needs before we provide you with a space to match.